All right, folks, we're doing a framing and mechanical rough inspection here in Celina, Texas. One of the big things that we found on this was if you look at the ceiling and if you look at the sides, all right, where's the AC vents? There's no AC vent. All over, this is a huge area. You can see how big this area is. Not even on the side walls. They don't have it also on the ceiling. So this is at least a 2-story, 30 by 20 area without any supply ducts like that, what you see there. All right, so you can see it again. This whole area, the stairs, the foyer area doesn't have any of that venting, supply vents. So that was a big one. Let me show you something else. Here's another small room in the front. Probably about 16 by maybe 8. If you look over here, they got an exhaust vent. I don't know why that's there, but they don't have no supply vents here either. Okay, I want to show you something else that I found here. These water line pipes, notice how close to the edge they are. So we marked it with the green. A drywall guy trying to nail this could accidentally miss it and hit these water lines. So we're telling them to put a much bigger plate here to prevent that accidental damage. Okay, let's walk through here and I'll show you some things. Right here, you got a huge beam, a 24-inch triple beam. That's supporting all of that roof load above. Okay, and notice how nicely you got what is called a stud pack right here, right below that beam, supporting it. Now follow me to the other side. Notice right here, it's got a wimpy old, wimpy header right there. It's a double or triple 2x8. But if you notice at the end of that header, there's only one stud pretty much. Follow that and you'll see that's at the end of that header carrying that load all the way down to the bottom. So you can see that's a huge amount of load. There's another red beam that's coming right here, or orange beam. If you go straight up, you'll see there's another one right there. So all that roof load is coming over this beam and then comes over this patio door header. That's a big catch also. I already talked to the builder about it. This is the other thing I told the builder and he agreed with me. Here's the windows. That's out here. Luckily they left this one area open so I could see it. They put some real bad short nails or diameter head. It's a very short. They're supposed to put it in these slots and they're supposed to be screws, more like these, but you can see right here, those are screws. So they ended up putting these nails, and you notice this one is pretty much gone through the plastic. And that's the wrong type of fasteners. These windows are supposed to hold up to the wind loads of over 100, close to 110 mile per hour wind. And when you got fasteners like that, it may or may not hold depending on how often they did it. So that was another catch we did. We got a few more things out here, but I think I'll show you something else. If you look over here, this is supposed to be an anchor bolt. The lighter ones or shinier ones you'll see, they came and did it afterwards, but this was the old one. Notice it's missing the washer and the nut. If you come over here, same thing. It's missing it, so we marked it. Let's go to the master bedroom. See right over here? You think that it's fastened down, but it's not, look. So we marked that also, same thing over here. These are the things that hold the framing to the slab, and they're loose. So we went around and caught those things. One of the other things I'm finding out is that we're very skimpy on the nails. I'm going to show you some that was totally missing where the header was. Yeah, here's one right here. You see the end of that header? Right over there. It's missing the nails. This side they got about two or three nails. This one they got 5 or 6. That's the way it should be. We caught this one. The electrical wiring is loose. It could get in the way of drywall and cause some damage, so we're going to get them to clamp this down. See if there's anything else I found. Oh yeah, they have this thing called what is it called? Yeah, they're called the tie downs. Let me show you this. These are shear wall. You can see the shear wall inside the house is with the red sheathing, and on both ends of that wall it's supposed to have these tie downs. Okay. And I believe it was this one that was loose. Let me go over here. Right here, you can see the green marking. You have all these anchors with all these nails, anchoring with the nails, but right here, they forgot to tighten it. All right, I just wanted to share some of that with you. That's what we found on the framing. There's more, much more, which is up in the attic and the second floor. This was just on the first floor. Thank you for joining.